Today we'll be making blueberry muffins, so let's get into it.
First, you will be needing 1.5 cups of flour.
And then 1 cup of sugar.
And 2 teaspoons of baking powder to help it rise.
For the last dry ingredient, you will be needing 1 teaspoon of salt. For your first wet ingredient, you will be needing 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
In the same cup, crack 1 egg and pour milk until the 1 cup line. As always, mix well.
We couldn't mix it well in the measuring cup, so we had to transfer it into another bowl.
Mixing well is important, but don't overdo it.
For your final wet ingredient, put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And remember to mix well.
Add 1/2 cup of blueberries, and remember, don't overdo the mixing or you will burst the blueberries. Fill in the muffin tray with cupcake liners. Add an equal amount of muffin batter to each muffin liner.
Put in the tray in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. If you like this video,
Please consider liking and subscribing.
and leave a comment down below of what we should do next.